High summer. In the year of the water rabbit, tall dry grasses swirl, lapping wind, weight of hooves. Raven and hawk circle and hunt. Gopher, deer mouse, shrew mole, dreams. The drip of beard lichen from branches, the burst of yellow bird's foot trefoil, bristly ox tongue. I scan my legs for ticks, pick burrs from my socks, unsubtle these reminders of explorations, intrusions. Last week in Ireland, in light rain, I walked counterclockwise around a holy well. I knelt and cupped my right hand, brought water to my face, my heart, thanked the river for all it had given. But we have made our gods fickle and withholding. To the east are floods, to the north fires. For the moment, here, I am safe. Grateful for the fog that burns slowly over Tamales Bay. In the autumn, elders and school children will gather, plant and seed native growth to restore the creek bed, hold the water, soften the scars of men. Soon, I think, I may walk this line, feel the slick of mud, relish the quick return of insects, the slow growth of hope. Symbiosis. Human boundaries distinguished by gate and barb, wood and rust. Crickets rub seemingly silently. The whistle songs of lesser goldfinches fill the air. Last week, a fox ate a chicken. Poor Marcia, dear Marcia, lucky fox. As a child, I was warned of rattlesnake and bear, remote Siskiyou cabin, coffee pot crushed by an unseen Ursus, a caution kept in the kitchen. The oldest of the cousins were taught to shoot in defense. The youngest, how to act big, stay calm. I do not remember being scared, not of bear. Seeking insects, foraging bears tear apart logs, dig plants and roots from the ground, assist in decomposition. They shit berries, acorns, fruit, and distribute seeds. Black bears used to be here, then we hunted them out. But last year one was seen across this narrow bay, scat and scratches on trees. Now a friend asks me to confirm his suspicions, shows me photos of shit, thick and brown, almost cow-like. I bring out my book. We scan the photos. Like hagiologists, we hope to confirm a minor miracle. I vacillate between elk and black bear with an acorn diet, thinking, it is too early for acorns. I realize too early, too late, too hot, too dry. These are all meaningless now. Nearby, a tree twists around itself, allows another to grow inside. As the sun sets in the overgrown bramble, I reach past thorns to pick ripe blackberries, juice on tongue, stain on hands. Between the storms. It is the 10th day of Christmas, 10 lords a-leaping, the ground is green. So green the hand aches to pet it, to coax the lush into staying longer than it should, like me, here, overstaying my inspiration. Storms have brought dried branches down, orange lichen, green lichen, new shoots, willow buds, common cat's ear, subterranean clover. The huppah has been taken down. The eucalyptus are peeling. In Japan 2 days ago, a tsunami warning. Poseidon means Lord of the earth, not just over water. He rules over dry land, known as Earth Shaker, Stabilizer. 10 lords a-leaping. He is angry. He is frustrated. He is bored. He is. High winds have brought high surf. From this hilltop, I can see the chopping water of Tamales Bay. Imagine a life on the water, near the water, of the water. No, I can simply imagine a different life, wet, lush, and in season. The stag. The stag has entered my yard, looking for my nasturtiums. The ones I pull like weeds each May. The ones that first delight, then take over and wonderfully suffocate the oxalis, which, if I'm honest, I would like to see wiped out. My earth dug and cleansed of each of their oxalis seeds, and if I am honest, I am not too proud of this pure, simple hate of a plant, even though it chokes my dreams of a yard that can thrive in drought, nurture robust blooms, and feed the bees and my soul. The stag with his young horns in peak adolescence, walking slow and solitary, has entered my yard, bent with the same relaxed pace to press his brown and black mouth down to the green and yellow and orange of my nasturtiums and eat the leaves as if they were left just for him, as if this were his land and I the interloper, as if I had taken months to prepare this feast of flowers just for his palate. And in many ways, I had. The stag has entered my yard, holding my gaze while he pisses on the remnants of a cherry tree before moving to the nasturtiums that once filled me with pride, having raised them from seed to start to blossom. I did not know they would need so little to burst forth and spread. The yellow and orange and sometimes crimson petals swirling around the jade, climbing the ficus. I learned from these plants what I couldn't in so many of my relationships. I could have given less of myself, and they would have been just fine. The stag has entered my yard uninvited, but I am grateful. He has stopped my breath, brought wonder in exchange for flowers. I fear his horns. I ache to touch him.